गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू पैसा बोलता है। पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है। Today I am going to talk about gold, which is a favorite subject for you and for me and for every Indian. First, why do we buy gold? We buy gold because it is fungible. What do I mean fungible? Wherever you go across the globe and you carry gold, you can convert it to cash of that country. So gold can go from one country to another country without much loss. The value for gold for each country is fixed. Of course, there are different qualities of purities 24, 22, and 18. In India, if you are living primarily in India, you normally should tend to use 22 karat gold because that's what against which banks give you money. The other advantage of gold is in times of extreme difficulty, you will convert it to cash quickly either by selling it or going and pledging it to the bank. So it gives you ready access to capital, especially in difficult times and you need money urgently. So having decided that we will do gold play, and gold is inversely proportional to dollar. As dollar goes in one direction, gold goes in opposite direction. In the last 15 months, gold has not really moved up nor really gone down, though marginally come down. Is primarily because the US dollar has strengthened because interest rates in America have continued to climb. Whenever inflation falls in America and there's an expectation that further rate rises in US, the interest rates are not there, you will see that the price of gold starts to rally. Recently, the American inflation price cracked to 3%, and we have all come to believe that the Fed will increase rate once or twice and then stop. And gold has started to increase again. And since in the last 15 months, gold prices have not really gone up, there has been an increase in purchase of gold. Most Indians buy gold from jewelry shops. I come from South India, so I understand South Indian gold retailers very well. The only exception I have is, of course, Titan. So I have been tracking a small gold retailing jeweler who's been listed for some time. He's a small cap person. During the pandemic, when the price of that stock fell to 300, I requested you to consider it. A lot of my followers in the Tamil channel have considered also. And then since then the promoter came and met me, and I have interviewed him in the Tamil channel. And I liked him and I liked the promoter. Normally I don't talk about small caps, but here I took a liking for the promoter. I was convinced about his integrity and I have been asking people to consider it. On 5th of July, the company gave a bonus share of 1:1. That is, for every one share, they gave one share free. The price dropped by 60% and fell from 1,400 to round about 800. The exact numbers don't matter. And then the company announced its results for the current quarter, and the market got so impressed by the results that the price has shot up by more than 20% since yesterday. That is Monday, the 24th of July. What has happened is total sales has gone up by 16% to 959 crores from 826 crores. Gold sales are up by 27% from 664 crores to 842 crores. Non-gold, primarily silver and other articles, have gone up by 31% from 67 to 88 crores. So profit after tax, which was 19 crores in the comparable period last year, has gone up to 59 crores. So the PAT has shot up by 211%. But what you have to notice is when you are calculating EPS will come down because EPS is net profit divided by number of shares. Over the last 4 quarters, only one quarter is after bonus. The previous 3 quarter profits were before bonus. So overall the profit figures except Q1 of this year will remain same, but the denominator will become 2x. If X was the number of equity shares before the bonus, you will have 2x. So there will be a drop in EPS. The price has shot up to 1000. Therefore, profits to earnings ratio will also go up. And also price to book will also drop because it is divided by the number of shares. And therefore, this will also go up. The book value will drop, and since price is up, price to book will also drop. But there is a wedding season coming, and the holy month for buying gold is coming, and therefore you expect sales to increase because if prices continue to fall, I think the US government will increase rates in July and once more in October or November. and though others are not agreeable, in my opinion, there is a possibility of a third hike, and therefore gold prices will remain flat till middle of next year. This will push up sales in all shops, and since this Tangamail has a strategy of working only in tier 2 and tier 3 towns, you will find that it will be growing faster, and therefore they also have established their own manufacturing units. They have in-house goldsmiths and they do design the jeweler. They also have gold, silver, diamond, and there are also gift category products. However, 90% of the sales come from gold only. Since the utilization of their manufacturing facilities is 92%, the overall cost of production is down in this case and margins are higher. So this has been consistently the case for many years, and they more than nearly 75% of the company is hedged. And at present, most of the companies is all the retail showrooms are only in the state of Tamil Nadu, which I understand well, and 72% of their gold is hedged, 28 is unhedged. So whenever there is a gold price rise, 28% will benefit. Whenever there is a fall in gold price, only 28% will get hit. So this is a well crafted policy. So as the sales increase, margins will increase, and they are going to the bottom of the pyramid and going into areas where other people have not ventured. This will give them a dominant position in the Tamil Nadu market, especially in tier 2, tier 3, and ensure higher margins. So what I suggest is not today, because prices have already run up, to wait and watch and consider these shares. Also watch Kalyan and also watch Titan. Thank you for watching Paisa Bolta Hai. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Kindly write your comments, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad, Namaskar, Jai Hind.